What are you putting on there?
Bucky snot.
Lubricant. That's all it said. Let me see what it says.
Press fit lube.
Press fit lube.
You know why we use press fit lube?
Well, I'm assuming because you press fit those guides in there
There you go. How do we fit the guides?
with a hammer.
You go over here, you grab a guide. Let's grab that one. We'll come back over here. See if it fits in the hole. So it's trying to go in the hole, but not quite. So we can take it out. Back in that hole, and we go up one or two bigger. We'll go up one. It's probably not going to be big enough. But... And we put some, what is this on there?
Press fit lube.
There you go.
We'll learn
If it
something.
goes in, if we don't like how it goes in, we'll do something different. What do you think?
Yeah, it went good. Pretty good.
That's why you're on the camera.
Oh, I didn't. That was good. Was it too easy?
I told you it'd be probably too easy. Now we go to the bigger one over here, because these are in order. So this is the next one up, which is one tile bigger. That's why you have to have more than one valve guide when you work on motors. Notice the difference?
Yeah. I'll do it again.
Go back to my sample guide. Yep, that goes in just barely. Now our sample guides are 1 over. Right now we seem to be using a lot of 3 over guides for some reason. This motor seems to be like 3 over. This one here, no, I might have to go 4.
Yeah, it's too easy.
You like that one?
Yeah.
It's good enough for you though, right?
Well, now I know the difference.
What's the difference?
That one went in pretty easy.
Oh, that was the difference? We got the bigger one now?
Yes.
Is this the 4?
I didn't see the first one, so okay, yeah, 4.
You can't put it in that hole, there's already one in there.
Yeah.
And what do I got, wood here?
So don't mess up your heads.
Because the wood indents and the head doesn't.
Yeah.
Alright, see, we're almost done now. We're on the next head. Okay, these are your heads, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Make sure I don't drop them or any scratch or anything. Okay, what number are we going to use on yours?
1 over.
First thing is we're not using 74-inch guides.
Yeah.
We got 80-inch guides. I'm almost out of them, see. Okay, here's some 1 over. Let's try these, see how these work. Whoa, that's real tight. These were low mileage heads, I forgot. So we're going to attempt to go with standard. Now see, that says NG standard. You know what NG is?
I do not know that. What does it mean?
No good.
I was gonna guess that, but I thought that was too easy. And then usually when I guess at something, it's completely off.
Do you know what no good is?
Don't use it.
That means the hole is too big on the ID. Okay, this is standard. See, now you know how good your heads are. Took standard guide.
Ah.
So you didn't understand what NG meant, huh?
I guess in my head, but usually when I guess, it's always wrong. So
Well, there you go.
typically, I don't like to guess, but in this case, I was too scared.
Brady pants, huh? Now you notice that we're missing one of these short studs?
Yeah.
Because we don't have any. So we got to use the bolts, we got to find a stud someplace. So your job is to find a stud someplace.
Huh.
See, has a big mark right there. For somebody dropped on something sharp. That's why you have wood down. Of course, I'd never drop the head either.
Oh yeah, of course not. Especially in front of the customer.
Oh yeah, definitely. Why would you do that?
Yeah.
And don't take no video of it either, so there's any evidence for lawsuits later.
Don't even and never post it on the internet either.
Your motor's too easy. It's all standard. I run out of standard guides, I keep doing this.
And then the irony is that her dad.
Alright, that was easy. How about this one?
Oh, probably standard.
He wouldn't do that, would he? Maybe. I'll run out of standard guides. That's better than your head.
Oh.
Customer head is a lot better than your heads. Where'd you get the crappy heads you bought?
I bought them from you.
Oh. What year was yours? This one's a 2 of 80. 3 of 81. See, you got screwed up the heads. You got 81 head. It was 11 of 80. See, 81 heads suck. 80's a lot better.
Oh gosh. Thanks for telling me that after you sold them to me.
Look how much better these are. Damn. Yeah, that's a lot better head 80. They must have had a dull reamer when they cut that one. Alright, that's all the heads.
All right.
All the others are back being ground for welding.